Hello, my dear customer. I'm here in Aurora, Colorado this time with this beautiful view that you can see after a snowstorm that we got yesterday. So right now we are here in a building complex in apartment trying to clean it up, all the apartment. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what are we gonna be doing. So basically here in this apartment we are gonna be cleaning all this small area of LVP, clean it up, all the stuff right here, the carpet. You can see these people from this apartment is moving out, so right here I can show you guys the equipment that are we gonna be using it. The anchor, that one works as a CRB, and right now we are ready with all the tools ready basically to start. This is the room of the apartment. Right here we have the beautiful I-75 machine, the one that we are gonna be using most of the time to do VLM here in the apartment, in the carpet. So all this area will be cleaned up. That is the room, this is the closet, and you can see all this area. And here I'm gonna show you guys the other room. So after all this cleaning, hopefully it's gonna be so much better, because this carpet, I can tell you guys, that is very in bad condition because has been for 6 years with any treatment at all. So of course we are gonna try to do the best that we can do. And also we have small areas like this where we're gonna be cleaning the vinyl, the tile of the laundry room, and actually also the tile here in this bathroom. How you can see, there is a big stain right there. So because they used to have another mat over there like this one, so as you can see it's very dirty. So just I'm gonna be showing all the process that we are gonna be doing. Alright guys, right now we are applying the pre-spray, preparing the carpet to be clean. So this is part of the process. We already vacuumed, now pre-spraying. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here is the result of the first room. So as you can see, the difference between before and now. So stay tuned. Alright guys, one of the first things that you have to do is adapt the height of the handle to you. So basically it's so easy with this machine. You can just move it how high you want it and press the handle down and it's ready to start. So we push up the safety button and the handle and we can start. Alright guys, here we are in the master bathroom. So we already applied the pre-sprayer on the tile, so it's about 10 minutes. It's soaking a little bit, and here is the Nanco, the machine that we are going to be using right now. So just stay tuned. There we go. You can see how it's removing all the dirt. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're here cleaning up the bathroom, and I already can see how clean is right now. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I just want to show you the neutralizer that I already put here in the container to neutralize the whole floor around, but you can see how clean is already the floor. So it's amazing how good chemistry and right tool can do. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this is part of what we do. In this apartment we did VLM,
as you watch tile clean and also deep cleaning to LVP. Thank you to everybody for watching and see you next time.